Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.3.16 and we're going to secure access to a switch. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch in the networking closet by creating an access control list. You have been asked to prevent a video game console from connecting to the switch. So in this lab, your task is to create a Mac-based ACL named game console. Configure the game console Mac-based access control entry ACE settings as follows. So we were given the list of the settings that we are to work with. And so let's start up. We'll go over to access control, and under access control we want to locate Mac-based ACL, and from there we want to go ahead and add, and we're going to type in game. The name we're given is to name it game console. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake there, typographical error. So it's going to be game. I think you can all decide to copy and paste if you wish to, so as not to waste this time. So I'm going to type in game console, and we'll go ahead and apply. And the ACL name is done, so we'll go ahead and add. No, let's close this. We're not adding. So we select game console ACL and Mac based. We open this and we go ahead and add. So what we're adding, the priority is going to be 1, and Mac source address is going to be user defined, and the source Mac address value is going to be 0041F111111. And the source MAC address max is going to be 00011111, or you can just copy and paste so that you won't make mistake. So the priority is going to be 2, and we're going to deny action, and this is going to be user defined, and this is going to be 0050421111, and the source MAC address is going to be 00001111. So go ahead and apply this, and priority for this is going to be 3. Action, we're going to deny. Destination MAC user defined, and it's going to be 00D3A111111. And the destination MAC address is going to be 011111. Go ahead and apply these. Priority for this is going to be 4, and we're going to deny, and we make use this user defined, and we're going to add this 00 user defined, zero zero 13151111111, or you can just copy and paste, and this is going to be 0001111111, or you copy and paste. So we apply this, and this priority for this is going to be 5. We'll go ahead and deny and mark destination, source mark user defined, and we're going to impute this 0009BF1111, or you just simply copy and paste. And this is going to be 0000001111, or you can just copy and paste to make things easier for you. So go ahead and apply this, and we deal with the last one. Priority for this is going to be set at 6, and this is going to be user defined, and the source mark is going to be 00125A111111, and the source mark address is going to be 000001111. We'll go ahead and apply. Okay, so that is done. So we'll go over to the we set this and we edit. This is going to be let's see, we close this. Let's delete 3, and we'll go ahead and add. I think there's a mistake there. So the priority for this will be set at 3, and we're going to deny this, and this is going to be user defined, and source mark address value is going to be 000D3A1111, and the mark is going to be 0001111. Go ahead and apply, and we close, and let's go to ACL binding. For the ACL binding, we're going to select this, and we apply. Let's select mark based ACL, close. Let's see if there's anything we missed. So here we're going to type in GE2-30. We'll go ahead and apply. So we'll go ahead and save. We apply, click OK, we'll wait for it to process the data. Click done, and we'll go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. So everything seems correct. Everything seems correct in this video. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and consider joining my professional membership so that you have access to insider spec on other videos, other labs that are not available here. You can reach me through my email address. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Let me know if there's any video, if there's any lab you want me to do,